Hello everyone, what's up? Today we have a special episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm reaching down because I have in my hands the two products that we are going to be unboxing and reviewing today, both made by a trusted partner of Good Tech Cheap, the Anker company. We have the C200 webcam and the B600 video bar. We're going to unbox both of these products, set them up, test them out, and let you know the takeaway on this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Hey everyone, what's up? I hope everyone out there is doing quite well. Welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'll be your host, Kevin. Thank you so much for watching. If you can, give us a like and click on subscribe. And if you do all those wonderful things, turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop another episode of Good Tech Cheap. As I mentioned, today we're going to be unboxing two products from Anker, a company that is very well known for its various electronics that provide lots of solutions for your high-tech life. We're going to start with the C200, which is a webcam that is 2K that offers a lot of customizable features, including camera angle ratio. Let's take a look at that right now. The Anker PowerConf C200 webcam. Make a good impression. The 2K ultra clear resolution on this USB webcam brings sharp clarity to every meeting. Be seen by your peers or impress your boss with your high quality video calls. Look nice in any light. The large aperture size captures more light so that even without a ring light and low light settings, you can still look bright and professional with this computer camera. Stereo microphones. Tell your colleagues or clients about your proposal without having to ask if they can hear you. Specialized dual mics use AI to pick up your voice while simultaneously reducing background noise for crystal clear audio. Versatile field of view. Adjust how much the USB webcam can see by choosing the angle of the lens's opening. Without losing any image quality, you can pick from 65, 78, or 95 degrees to show just your face or include what's behind you. Also features a built-in privacy cover. Privacy is important, both to Anker and to the rest of us. So when not in use, you can slide the built-in privacy cover to shield yourself from the USB webcam's view. Hey everyone, so I am in my home office. You can see I have the camera set up. I'm pointing at it over here, even though I should be pointing at it right there. I've opened up the lens. So it's viewable, and look, here's me live. Well, you get the picture, quite literally. So we're gonna do a screen recording of my iMac screen. And by the way, I'm just going to point out that this is a fairly new iMac, and the Anker camera, the C200 that is here, is already presenting a far clearer, sharper, more high-resolution picture than I've been used to getting on this computer. And I've been playing with the customizable controls, and I will show them to all of you in just a moment here. Let's actually make the screen big. There I am, and the resolution holds up. That's what I really appreciate. Let's shrink it back down again for just a moment because I want to access some of the tabs that are here on the side. You can choose your resolution, 360 progressive, 720, 1080, and 2K. And that will help those of us who don't have the strongest internet connection or who might happen to be on Wi-Fi and there isn't a way for them to get a faster picture. Look, I turned away and we're now back in focus. Hi. Another really great feature is the anti-flicker. You turn that on. Switching mine to 50 Hertz actually made the picture just solid and steady, which is a first. I appreciate that. Your angles of view can actually pop in. I have a friend who's staying in the office while he does a bit of job searching here in Los Angeles, and I don't necessarily want to show the bed in the background, and so I'm able to come in nice and tight. If I want to, you can literally see, or if I want a wider angle, you can move that back and go back out to 95 degrees. It's absolutely fantastic to have these options. You have brightness settings right here. You can go darker or lighter. going to set mine right back to the middle. Sharpness, saturation. I actually like to take down the saturation a little bit. I think it makes me look more elegant. And you have a contrast ratio. I've turned on the auto white balance, and I've actually flipped myself around, what a camera normally sees. And if a mirror were to be correct like a camera, here's this, which is also very impressive. You have a choice between directional pickup and omnidirectional sound pickup on the camera. It was originally set to 180 degrees, so it's going to pick up sound from a wider field of view. I just set it to 90 degrees so that it focuses on my voice more, which is very helpful. And then, since the camera is able to track you, you actually have a choice to select whether you work at a fixed workspace, a flexible space where you maybe get up and walk around, or the camera might be in a different position if you have a laptop perhaps, or if you're at home and you have your headset and you get up and you pace. Well, there are settings for all those things. It's easy to get to the help center. There's a messaging center as well. Your user profile is right here at the top. You can actually click on live tech support, which is what I just did, which is also very helpful. How can we help? Good to know that that is there. And that's pretty much about it. I think the user interface is fantastic. It's very easy to use. All I did is I set up my camera and I turned it on and I plugged it in, download some software from the Anker website, and we're good to go. We are also going to be checking out the Anker B600 video bar. Now this is a camera system that attaches to your desktop monitor and features a light bar that will actually custom auto adjust to fit the conditions wherever you happen to be. There's a lot of technology packed into a streamlined, beautifully designed, well, you know what? I'll stop talking about it. Let's unbox it and let's take a look right now. Much more than just a webcam, this 4-in-1 product offers a light, high-resolution video quality, noise reduction, and voice pickup. Also a lot more packed into a small body. The camera is 2K and features a low distortion lens, resulting in high-quality images. You're going to see true-to-life video. The speaker is actually a dual speaker, and the speakers are made from specialized natural silk, resulting in stunning audio. The microphone is also special. This is a 4-way microphone array, which also includes voice radar technology. This will help with noise canceling and vocal pickup. You'll always be heard. There's a built-in light plus magic sight technology, which is intelligent adaptive lighting. It'll actually look like magic as the light source adjusts the conditions where you are. The setup is easy. You'll essentially be upgrading your home office. Just plug and play, one step into professional working mode. You'll simplify your workspace and declutter your desk. This device will perfectly solve the problem of multi-device wire clutter in the limited workspace most people have. You'll be able to greatly improve the cleanliness and appearance of your desktop space. There is premium audio integrated with voice radar. This is intelligent noise cancellation and vocal pickup technology. The 4-way mic array on this video conference camera will make sure your colleagues hear everything you have to say instead of the background noise. The voice radar technology cancels out the background noise and enhances your voice so your colleagues catch every detail about your presentation. The Magic Sight camera technology is intelligent adaptive lighting that automatically adapts to make sure you look bright and professional even in low light settings, so you can always make a good impression. It's smarter than a webcam, featuring solo frame that keeps the camera trained on you with intelligent AI-powered solo frame technology. You stay at the center of attention even if you move around. Instant autofocus. The Anker B600's highly sensitive video conference camera intelligently autofocuses, making every frame of your video meeting AI-powered and seamless. Easy-to-use software. Get the most out of your Anker B600 and download the Anker software. Manually change features such as resolution, field of view, lighting, and more. The Anker B600 utilizes an all-in-one design that combines a 2K camera, 4-microphone array, built-in speakers, and supplemental lighting bar. This is ideal for use either at home or at a personal office space. The compact design easily sets atop an external monitor. Once connected using USB-C, the B600 can be used with most current video conference platforms to provide vibrant video and crystal clear audio while keeping your desk uncluttered. The B600's voice radar technology combined with dynamic beamforming and an intelligent AI algorithm allows users to achieve full duplex, clear calls in noisy environments. And the 2K capable video camera offers autofocus, FOV adjustment, and image enhancement while also utilizing the camera's magic sight technology for automated lighting adjustments, including brightness and color temperature. Hey everyone, what's up? Alright, so here we are. I am at my desk in my office, and I have the B600 already connected. It's plugged in to the computer and to its power source, and look how easily it's able to mount to my computer. Downloading the software was also very easy. Going to the Anker website, it recognized the camera immediately, and we were good to go. So now let's actually select our B600 video bar. Whoa! Look who it is. I feel like I'm famous now or something. I'll immediately point out the quality and the clarity here. You can see my room is in shadow. I do not have lights on. The video light is barely on, but we have quite a dynamic range from the full highlights. There's sunlight hitting my white closet door back there. You can see the colors are very natural. The whites, the blues, the oranges, the yellows, and skin tone also. Quite impressive. And there are several features that we can get into here. Your resolution goes from 360p progressive frames to 720 to 1080 all the way up to 2K. Depending on your internet connection speed, you might want to use any of those features just to make it easier to get your image out there to everyone. You have angles of view as well. You can come in tighter. You can go farther out. And you can select solo frame where, as long as you reposition yourself. Hey everyone, welcome to this video conference. The lens automatically adjusts. I find this feature to be absolutely fantastic. Alright, so there's also anti-flicker technology. I've turned it on and I've set it to 50 Hertz, and it is just flawless. The picture quality is absolutely amazing. There is no video degradation whatsoever in the image that you see right here. And let's make it big. Why not? Just for a moment. Full frame. Well, I have to turn around and face this way. Hey! But now I'm not facing that way, so... Hey! Well, you get how that works. So that is absolutely fantastic. Other features include brightness, sharpness, saturation, and a contrast ratio. If you want to get rid of that mirror effect, turn on horizontal flip and boom, there you are. And if you want to have the image flipped horizontally, boom. You want it flipped back, boom. Very quick. Everything here is very highly responsive. All right, now let's actually talk being able to adjust color temperature. You can select the light being on or off using this switch right here. You can control the brightness. For the sake of demonstrating it, let's go to maximum brightness. That fills in quite nicely. Now you actually get your choice of color temperature, and color temperature is literally the quality of light that you would see from, say, high noon outdoors to a more warm light that you would expect in the afternoon. Most indoor lights have a warmer look to them. I've had a lot of trouble with my built-in web camera right there, where it overcompensated and made everything quite yellow. So I find this tone to be perfectly neutral. You can even go a bit cooler. Let's do all the modes here so you can see the slight difference. And there's full warm tone. You can choose to keep your light always on. And if you don't want to adjust and you want to let the algorithm here do it for you, just turn on the automatic light adjustment option. Wonderful features there. You also get to pick the setup that the camera that tracks you is going to be following you with. Your fixed workspace, that's me in my chair right here. Well, that's how I work. A flexible workspace where if you want to pace around or go lounge on a sofa or anywhere else, or if you just move around a lot, you have that option as well. So I work in a fixed workspace, so that's going to be my selection right here. What do you know? It recommends the Anker B600 video bar. I tend to agree with that. Anyway, getting help and submitting any problems you have, any questions you have to Anker, not a problem. You can actually do a capture off of here and make sure they see the issue quite literally. I appreciate that. You can leave a review. And you can switch your device easily if you have another Anker product. We're going to reconnect to our camera right here. Hey, hello there. All right, well, there you have it. Easy to use. The light is a fantastic addition. The 4 microphones produce incredible quality. This is going to be useful for those who have an outdated webcam. And you know what? You can have a very fancy computer, but the webcam can still deliver a subpar experience. And considering how many Zoom calls we do for business and to talk with friends and family, I think this would be a very welcome addition to really any household for personal and business use. And as I mentioned before, it travels very, very easily. So that is another plus. And there you have it. I really appreciate the fact that you can actually shut off the camera iris in the C200. I found it to be extremely easy to use. It was easy to set up. The Anker website made for downloading software for my Macintosh computer, hassle-free and immediate. So all of that is really appreciated. The B600, I'll just say it again, I'm impressed by the adaptable use of that light, the 4-way microphone, the overall ergonomics, and the fact that everything worked so flawlessly and so seamlessly, but that is what you can expect when you get a product from Anker. If you want to find out more, please click on the link in the description below. Well, I think that just about wraps it up for today. I'd like to thank Anker for sponsoring this video and sending the C200 and the B600 for us to review, unbox, and share with all of you out there. Once more, link in the description below. Please check it out. And also, check us out more. Watch more videos of Good Tech Cheap, as we have plenty of more products coming your way that we're going to be sharing with you. If you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the Good Tech Cheap channel. If you do that, turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. From Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Kevin. Stay safe, be kind, and I'll see you next time. Bye.